In 2010, Vassar Associate Professor of Art Andrew Tallon embarked on a unique project, building a digital model of Notre Dame. Constructed between the 12th and 14th centuries, the French Gothic cathedral is massive. It stretches 128 meters long, 48 meters wide, and has two iconic towers that are 69 meters tall. Tallon used a Leica Geosystems laser scanner to capture the entire structure to create an accurate 3D model of the cathedral based on cloud points. He scanned everything, from the flying buttresses to the stained glass windows to wood carvings, to create some of the most accurate measurements of Notre Dame on record. Tallon died of cancer in 2018, but his work to scan and model Notre Dame became even more important when the cathedral caught fire on 15th of April 2019. The blaze engulfed Notre Dame's roof and spire, causing a partial collapse and catastrophic damage. French President Emmanuel Macron pledged to rebuild the cathedral in 5 years and created Rebâtir Notre Dame de Paris to oversee the project. Autodesk, a leader in 3D design and engineering, partnered with Art Graphique and Patrimoine to create highly detailed digital models of Notre Dame using existing laser scans and new surveys. The two firms then provided the models to Rebâtir Notre Dame de Paris for free. The models provided an essential tool to architects, artisans, engineers, and builders who work to rebuild Notre Dame. The cathedral reopened in Paris in December 2014, just 8 months past Macron's deadline.